At Ram, we introduced a new era of muscle trucks. For most brands, that would be the headline. For us, it's just the starting line.
So you say you love the Ram Rumble Bee lineup, but you want more horsepower. Whether it's the version that has the 5.7-liter V8, the 392 Hemi V8 version, or even the 777 horsepower SRT Rumble Bee, they'll sport the legendary 6.2-liter Hemi V8. But I mean, let's just say you want more power. 4, 5, 6, 700 horsepower, it just isn't enough, and you want more horsepower to slay any car, truck, or SUV on the road today. Well, what if I told you Ram just announced supercharger kits for the entire Rumble Bee lineup? But let's see in this particular video where your other favorite Mopar vehicles like the Durango Hellcat and the legendary TRX will get some horsepower love too. Okay, over 57,000 friends and the 43% of you guys who watch these videos on a daily basis but have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you guys help a butter out and like this particular video. Pick up a cool hat from the merch store like this one right here, and links down in the description down below. And check out my friends right here at JustBoughtOn.com. They save up to 15% off on your next order or your favorite aftermarket accessories like exhaust systems, tonneau covers, wheels, and sometimes even tires. Use my promo code BUTTER at checkout and save some of your hard-earned cash because you're gonna need it for these supercharger kits that I'm about to tell you guys about. So let's get right into this video because Ram dropped a hammer days before Roadkill Nights about these new, we'll just call them stage kits for the entire Rumble Bee lineup. And my dear friend Tim Kuniskis, he alluded to something coming at the Rumble Bee event. I'm gonna show you guys right here.
In the entire truck industry, 3% of the sales are regular cab trucks. 3%. They're bitching, they're typing, they ain't buying. Yes, a regular cab would have been lighter. It would have been 300 pounds lighter than this. But this isn't a race car. This is a full-size truck that weighs 6,000 pounds. So yes, we gave you a 5% weight penalty, but we opened up 79 or 97% of the market. I'll take that bet all day long. Give up 5% and cover 97% of the market because it allowed us to improve the proportions dramatically, I think, and make it daily driver capable. And probably the most important thing in today's day and age when everything's so expensive, we ensured the spousal alibi. It is not just a weekend toy. This can be your daily driver for everything you need. And if you're worried about the 300 pounds, don't. Direct Connection is already working on it, and not in the way that you're thinking, but come to Roadkill Nights this year, and we will have much more for you on that.
So we all knew for a fact that something was coming for the Rumble Bee to improve the horsepower to weight ratio, and now we know there's 3 supercharger kits. Now there's also a little surprise that I read in Car and Driver that the same supercharger kit on the SRT Rumble Bee with the Hellcat engine. Sorry, I can't get it out. The SRT Rumble Bee with the Hellcat engine, that same kit is going to also be available on the Ram TRX. So there goes your answer right there. If you want a new Ram TRX with more horsepower, Dodge, or not really Dodge, but Ram has the answer for you. Now, it does not say in this particular article whether or not that same stage kit is going to be available on the previous generation Ram TRX. I'm going to ask that question at the Roadkill Nights event. So stay tuned. I'll find out for you guys who have your older trucks whether or not that is the case. But for the supercharger kits for, let's say, the 5.7 Hemi V8 version for the Rumble Bee, it's going to be targeting over 600 horsepower. And that's going to be another question I'm going to ask Ram is whether or not these non-e-torque Ram 1500s coming out this year is going to be available to get this same supercharger kit to take your Bighorn or take your Rebel and take it up to 600 horsepower to make it a little more exciting, as they say. Now the Rumble Bee 382 is going to target 700 plus horsepower, and that's another particular supercharger kit that I leaked earlier that I'm talking about a little bit later that could be available on other 302 Hemi versions. We'll talk about that in a second. And then the Big Daddy 777 horsepower SRT Rumble Bee is going to have well over 900 horsepower. So that's going to be a very nice horsepower bump for every version of Rumble Bee, and it's going to really make it a muscle truck beast. And even looking at these direct connection color schemes for each one of these trims, I think I want a blacked out Rumble Bee. Oh my goodness, because that black one with the yellow accents, ooh, mwah, it makes that truck look so mean and aggressive. So it's like there's more parts of this actual kit, because this right here is going to be a package from direct connection. So with direct connection, you better go in and get the MagnaFlow exhaust. I believe this article says about around $4,000. And there's also the lowering kit is going to be around the lowering kit's around $4,000. You get like a 1-inch front and 3-inch rear lowering kit, and then also a MagnaFlow exhaust should be around $2,000 or $3,000. So there's a whole entire kit that you can do with these superchargers. And another thing that I learned, you do not need freaking what was that, power brokers at all, period. I leaked to you guys last year that power brokers are done, is no longer a thing. So no longer are you gonna be trapped and being forced into go getting these kits installed at specific power brokers dealers, when a lot of them were some of the worst dealers in the country, who were the worst ones who charge markups on a lot of products. So according to this article from Car and Driver, you can get these kits installed along with it's a ASE certified technician, and this is basically what Ram is doing, kind of like how Ford does. Ford, you don't have to go to a Ford power brokers dealer to get their supercharger kits installed. You can go to any tech that is certified to go get these particular kits installed, and you still keep your factory warranty. So I told you guys last year around SEMA that dealers were told that power brokers are done, and now we have confirmation from this particular article right here that if you want this kit for your Rumble Bee, for your TRX, you do not have to go to a power broker dealer at all, period. As long as there's a technician that is certified and actually, you know, with ASE. Now, the question is now, what if you aren't totally in love with the Rumble Bees, right? And you're, let's say, more of a Durango guy, like a Durango Hellcat guy, or maybe a Durango 392 guy, or hell, even with this case right here, a Durango 5.7 Hemi guy. Well, there's a leaked article, not leaked article, but a leaked email I have right here that I showed you guys a few months ago that the Durango is going to get some love at Roadkill Nights, and it's confirmed by this particular email for someone who works at Direct Connection. And so that is something that I'm looking forward to at Roadkill Nights this year, that we're going to see a whole wide lineup of supercharger kits for a variety of vehicles. Because I've also leaked right here as well too that the Durango 392 is also getting a Whipple supercharger kit. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but basically Whipple is supplying all these supercharger kits for all these different vehicles, and I'm hoping that we're going to see even more supercharger kits for more models, because if they're going to basically throw a Whipple kit for the 5.7, 392, and the 6.2, you have a wide variety of vehicles that you can put these particular supercharger kits on and get a ton more power, right? I mean, because you imagine you having your Durango GT with a 5.7 liter Hemi, and you go put a supercharger kit on there from Dodge and don't void your warranty and have over 600 horsepower. You have almost Hellcat levels of power out of a 5.7 liter Hemi. And then now with the 392s, you have 700 horsepower plus. So basically you have a Hellcat out of a 392, which is pretty freaking awesome. And then you have almost 1,000 horsepower with the Hellcat version of the Durango, the Hellcat version of the Rumble Bee, the Hellcat version of the TRX. So we're going to have a lot of great stuff coming to Roadkill Nights. I'm very excited to see exactly what all's going on and exactly how many more vehicles is going to get surprise supercharger kit announcements. I told you guys in videos since last year, dealers were told last year that supercharger kits were coming, and now it seems as though that they're going to basically got past the whole nonsense with CARB, and CARB is not going to be able to block these supercharger kits, and this was something that Ram was working on. I knew they was working on kits for that new muscle truck, and I believe the TRX, but I had no idea they were going to do stuff for like the Durango and stuff, because a lot of people have been wanting Durango supercharger kits or Durango stage kits since what, 2022, 2023, whenever stage kits was announced. So there's been a long time coming for these kits, and I'm glad that they're finally here. So it kind of sucks that we're not available to have these on our previous generation Challengers and Chargers, because this would have been cool if you could have got a Whipple for your Red Eye or your Super Stock or your King Daytona, and basically take the power up to 900 plus horsepower. Because even with the stage kits from the first time when these was introduced back in what, 2021, 2022, those only took up to 885 horsepower if you had a red eye, for example, or a super stock. Now you can get 900 plus horsepower. So that basically just means to me that we're going to get some pretty cool things. And I don't think like you're going to want to miss out on Roadkill Nights, because I told you guys last year, from what I was hearing last year, what was going on for Roadkill Nights this year, this is going to be one that you did not want to miss. And I hope you guys know that, like I said in previous videos, I am going to be there, and there are going to be some pretty cool things that I am expected to see, and I'll be able to make videos on certain things that I can and cannot see. This is actually my last day at home, and the next video after this is going to be obviously there in Michigan. So if I can talk about stuff that I may or may not see, I'll make videos about it, and we'll be right there in the flesh. And so I'm telling you guys, like I said, I got an itinerary of things that that is coming, and I can't talk about it, but if I can make a video on it, I will make a video on it, like I said. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you guys excited to see supercharger kits for all these particular vehicles? I know right now the only ones that are 100% confirmed is the Rumble Bees and the TRX. But like I said, with a particular email, the Durangos are looking to get some love. And then I did leak to you guys right there in that one image that the Wrangler 392, the Wrangler 392 is also getting a supercharger kit. So it's going to be very, very exciting. And I would love to see whether or not other models are going to be able to get these supercharger kits for the 5.7, the 392, and the 6.2. And it's going to be a very, very exciting time. I don't know if I mentioned the prices, but yeah, it's going to be around 10 G's to get this particular supercharger kit, which is not really that much markup compared to like how much Whipple sells on their website and stuff. But this is going to be very, very exciting, because I've been wanting a Rumble Bee, and I'm still kind of torn between that and the TRX. But it's going to be very interesting to see which one I might have to decide. If like a 9 horsepower TRX seems very, very appetizing, something to go all the way around, but I can't get over the 118 mile per hour top speed. But enough of that crap. Let's go ahead and end this video. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you guys think this new direct connection kits from Ram for the Rumble Bee are pretty freaking awesome? I think if I was gonna get a Rumble Bee, I'll definitely get the whole shebang bang, the freaking supercharger kit, the DeLorean kit, and obviously this sticker pack kit and the MagnaFlow kit to make my Rumble Bee look oh so mean, aggressive, and fast as freak. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you want to check out some more surprise things we might see at Roadkill Nights, you can check out this video right here. And until the next time, I am out.